This video explains what a worksheet is. In simple terms, a worksheet is one page inside a spreadsheet file. It contains a grid made up of rows, columns, and cells where data is entered and organized. Worksheets exist because large amounts of data need to be organized clearly. By separating information into different worksheets, a single spreadsheet file can contain multiple related sections without mixing everything together. A worksheet is not just one cell, row, or column. It is also not the entire spreadsheet file that may contain multiple worksheets, and it is not a Word document. You do not need to memorize this. You just need to recognize that a worksheet is one page within a spreadsheet. You usually see worksheets in Excel as tabs along the bottom of the screen. Each tab represents a different page within the same spreadsheet file. The tab names often describe the topic or purpose of the data. This diagram organizes the idea of a worksheet. Use it as a reference if needed. When you see one grid page inside a spreadsheet file, you are looking at a worksheet.